Space is big, like really big. It's so vast that it's almost impossible to comprehend. We're talking bigger than your grandma's vintage record collection, big, bigger than the biggest library you've ever seen. It's hard to wrap your head around just how much space is out there. Imagine all the stars you see at night and then multiply that by a billion. Think about it. Our solar system, with its 8 planets, asteroids, and cosmic dust bunnies, is just a tiny speck in the Milky Way galaxy. And the Milky Way, with its billions of stars, is just one of billions of galaxies in the observable universe. Each of those galaxies contains billions of stars, and many of those stars have their own planets. The observable universe is so vast, it's almost beyond human comprehension. Yeah, you read that right? The universe. And that's just the part we can see from Earth. Who knows what cosmic wonders lie beyond our telescope's reach? There could be entire galaxies we haven't even discovered yet. It's enough to make your brain hurt a little. The sheer scale of it all is mind-boggling. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember just how big space really is. Now, you might think that with all those stars and galaxies, space would be pretty crowded. But you'd be wrong. It turns out that most of space is actually, well, empty. We're talking about vast stretches of nothingness called cosmic voids. These voids are so big that if you were a star traveling through one, you'd probably start questioning your life choices. Is this all there is? You'd ask yourself. Am I just a tiny speck of light in an endless sea of darkness? Don't worry, little star. We've all been there. And then there are black holes, the mysterious giants of the cosmos. These are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They are the ultimate traps, where the rules of physics as we know them break down. Imagine a cosmic vacuum cleaner sucking up everything in its path, relentlessly pulling in matter and energy. Black holes form when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives, creating a point of infinite density known as a singularity. It's like the universe's way of cleaning up after a wild party, sweeping up all the leftover cosmic debris. All right, everyone, time to go home, the black hole seems to say, as it tidies up the galactic mess. And don't forget to take your leftover supernova with you, as the remnants of these stellar explosions often get caught in the black hole's grasp. We can't see black holes directly, but we know they're out there because of the way they warp the fabric of space-time, bending light and affecting the orbits of nearby stars. It's like trying to find your keys in a messy room. You might not see them, but you know they're there somewhere, hidden amidst the cosmic clutter. Section 4. The Big Bang. Like, totally epic. Speaking of messy rooms, let's talk about the Big Bang. Imagine the ultimate cosmic mess, where everything began. This is the prevailing cosmological model for the universe, describing its beginning from a state of incredibly high density and temperature, almost unimaginable. Imagine the entire universe crammed into a space smaller than an atom. It's like fitting all the stars and galaxies into a single point. Then, about 13.8 billion years ago, bam! An explosion of epic proportions. The universe exploded outward, expanding and cooling as it went, creating the vast cosmos we see today. Think of it like popcorn popping in a cosmic microwave. Each kernel is a galaxy forming and spreading out. This expansion is still going on today, which means the universe is getting bigger by the second, constantly evolving. So the next time someone tells you to go big or go home, you can remind them that the universe is doing both, in the most epic way possible. Section 5. Our place in the cosmic dance-off. So where do we fit into all of this cosmic craziness? Well, we're just a bunch of humans on a tiny planet orbiting an average star in a run-of-the-mill galaxy. But that doesn't mean we're not important. In fact, understanding the vastness of the universe and the mind-boggling phenomena that occur within it can help us appreciate our own existence even more. It's like realizing that the awkward dance moves you bust out at weddings are actually pretty impressive when you consider the sheer scale of the universe. Section 6. Keep looking up, dudes. So the next time you're feeling down, just remember, you live in a universe that's bigger, weirder, and more awesome than you can possibly imagine. So get out there, explore, and never stop asking questions. Because when it comes to the universe, the only thing more mind-blowing than what we know is what we don't know. And that's what makes it so exciting. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a date with a telescope and a box of cosmic brownies. Keep it real, space cadets.